Today we're going to start graphing equations. We've got 4 examples here, and our first one is x equals 1. If we go to our graph, there is a place on the x-axis where the x value equals 1. We can see that right here. And we need to keep the locations of all the points where our x value equals 1. Well, if I go straight up, my x value is 1 there, and there, and there. And anywhere along here, I can also go straight down, and my x value along all of these points is also 1, and everything in between there. So we can start to see a pattern showing up. X equals 1 is this vertical line that crosses the x-axis here at 1. So this is x equals 1. Let's take a look at our next one. The second one is y equals 2, or negative 2 for that matter. That means we need to come here and find negative 2 for our y-axis. Well, there is a point where our y value equals negative 2. If I go straight to the left and right, my y value at all of these locations continues to be negative 2. So the line for y equals negative 2 is a horizontal line that crosses the y-axis at negative 2. All right, the next two are going to be very similar. X equals 0, we're finding the line where all of our x points equal 0, and y equals 5 right here. So let's graph those two over here. Starting with x equals 0. All right, our x-axis has a value of 0 right here in the center. And we want to keep our x values 0. That means I cannot move to the left or the right, so I'm going to go straight up or straight down. And that puts my line right along the y-axis. That one's kind of an interesting case right here, where our x value stays 0 if we go up along the y-axis. And our last one, y equals 5. That's right here, where our y value is 5. And we keep our y values 5 by going horizontally. So we get y equals 5 is our green line, and x equals 0 is our purple line. When you see equations like this where you have x equals or y equals, they're always going to end up being either a horizontal line or a vertical line. X equals gives us a vertical line, y equals gives us a horizontal line, and they should be pretty quick to graph after that. Thank you.